In the number 2 of these lab activities, it is asked to create the given vehicle object using Marquee tool. Use the stroke where necessary. Fill the necessary color. We have to perform this task in the Photoshop. Without delay, let's go to the Photoshop. Now Photoshop is started. Create the new document. Go to the File menu. Click the New option. From this new document dialog box, set the width and height of the document. I like to set here 1800 pixel. I like to set height 1200 pixel. Now rest of other I like to leave as it is. Click the Create button. Now our new document is started. Now let's start to draw. Get the new layer. Go to the layer menu. Go to new and click the layer sub option. Now you can type the layer name from here. I like to leave as it is. Click the OK button. Now look here, layer 1 is created. Just click over here. Look here, different types of Marquee tools are over here. Get the rectangular Marquee tool. Now draw the rectangle for heading. Now fill the color. To fill the color, click once in the foreground color. Now select the desired color. I like to select dark gray color. Now click the OK button. To fill the foreground color, press Alt Del key from keyboard. Now look here, color is filled. To set the stroke, double click on its layer. Layer style dialog box is appeared. Now click the stroke option. Click once over here. Look here, stroke parameter section is appeared. You can set different types of parameters from here. I like to set the size 3 point. You can change this stroke size by dragging this slider bar. In this way, I like to type over here 3 point. Now we can set the color from here. I like to select this dark blue. Click OK button from here. Again click OK button from this layer style dialog box. Press Ctrl D to deselect this object. Now draw the body part using the rectangular Marquee tool. In new layer, click the layer menu. Go to new and click the layer sub option. Type the name. I like to leave as it is. Click the OK button. Now draw the rectangle using the rectangular Marquee tool. Rectangular Marquee tool is already selected. Fill the color. I like to select light gray color. Click OK button. Press Alt Del key to fill the color. Now set the stroke. Double click on its layer. Select the stroke option. Now you can set the different types of parameter. I like to increase the size of a stroke. Click the OK button. Now deselect the selection by pressing Ctrl D. Now adjust this object using Move tool. Now we have to create wheels using the elliptical Marquee tool. In the new layer, click the layer menu. Go to new and click the layer sub option. Click the OK button. Now click over here. Select the elliptical Marquee tool. Hold the shift key and draw the circle perfectly. Now fill the color. Go to the color panel. Now I select the black color. Click OK button. Fill the color. Pressing Alt Del key. Set the stroke for this. Double click on its layer. Select the stroke. Now click once over here. Set the different parameters from here. I like to leave as it is. Click OK button. Now move this object in proper place using move tool. Now make the duplicate copy of this object. Just right mouse click on its layer. Click the duplicate layer option. Click OK button. Now using the move tool, move the duplicate object. Now in the new layer, create the inner circle for fill. Click the layer menu. Go to new and click the layer sub option. Click OK button. Click the elliptical marquee tool. Draw the circle by holding the shift key. Fill the color. Go to color panel. Now I like to select light gray color. Click OK button. Press Alt Del key to fill the foreground color. Now set the stroke for this object. Just double click on its layer. Click the stroke option. Now click once over here to activate the stroke parameters. We can set the different types of parameters from here. I like to leave as it is. Click the OK button. Now move this object in the proper place. Make it duplicate copy. Just right mouse click on its layer. Click the duplicate layer option. Click OK button from here. Now move the duplicate copy using move tool. Now press the Ctrl D from keyboard to deselect the object. Now look here, almost our task is completed. After watching this video, you have to practice yourself to develop your skill in Photoshop.